In this video, I'm revealing the top 3 websites to stream anime for free legally in 2026. All the websites that I'm going to be revealing in this video all have apps available for both Android and iOS devices. So you guys can also check their app out. Now, the number one spot goes to Crunchyroll. The reason why it goes to Crunchyroll is because they actually have the largest library of anime available for you to actually watch for free legally on their platform. So if I scroll below, you see that you can actually access a lot of episodes in here, all for free without any monthly subscription. Like you can watch it for free with ads on their platform, and it's 100% legal and it's 100% legit. So if I scroll below also in here, you can also see that I can access a lot of episodes that I can actually watch for free on their platform. So you can see that. So let's check this out as well. If I scroll below, you can also see so many episodes available to watch. Now they have newest anime available for you to watch. They also have popular anime for you to watch. So let me go to the popular section real quick. So you can see that so many stuff are going to be available in here. Like all your favorites are going to be available, and they have sub available. They also have dub available. So you can see that so many anime are available in here for you to actually enjoy for free legally on their platform. And the sweetest part is that when you are watching for free on their platform, you're also going to be watching at a very good resolution, because the video quality is actually quite nice also in Crunchyroll, despite the fact that it's actually free. Now, number 2 on my list is called Bilibili. Now, this is the Bilibili app. You can see it having over 100 million downloads. Now, with this app, you can actually access a whole lot of anime, like some newest and some popular, some other classic and indie gems on this platform. So you guys have to also give this platform called Bilibili a try, because in here you'll be able to access a lot of content for free legally on their platform. Now, the third on my list is called Tubi TV. Now, if you are finding any value from this video, then please do consider smashing that subscribe button. I'm really going to appreciate that, because that is going to help me to grow my YouTube channel. Now, let's keep talking about Tubi TV. As you can see on Tubi TV, you can actually access a whole lot of content, from action to sci-fi to comedy. That means you can actually watch a lot of movies, TV series, a lot of live TV channels, and at the same time, you will have access to anime on this platform. So this platform is best for people that actually like watching a combination of movies, TV shows, live TV channels, and anime in the same place at the same time. So with Tubi, you'll be able to do that for free legally on their platform. Now you can see that Tubi also have an app having over 100 million downloads. You can see that. So with Tubi, they clearly said it here: free movies and live TV. So that should tell you that you'll be able to access a lot of movies and live TV channels for free on Tubi TV. Also, you'll be able to access anime on their platform. So you guys should give all the 3 that I've mentioned in this video a try, and comment the one that you actually prefer in the comment section. Now, I gave you guys Crunchyroll, I gave you Bilibili, and lastly, I gave you Tubi TV. So let me know which one you actually prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.